halfway at the view la enguthuma mina ngiyothula izethulo engithunywe zona.
Yes. Okay. We can stand.
Khiphile-ke igwegwe. Yabona-ke isitho sadida indoda. Khiphe sona-ke namhlanje. I love her. Mayigqokile ama-blue shame. Sorry Mthembeni, but ngiyamthanda ubani egqoke ibhulukwe.
I was just not feeling okay for the longest time. I want to feel like I was very dehydrated. And not do anything. I couldn't even go to work.
Ngiyathuka mengithola ukuthi kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la admitwa khona kodwa kanitshelanga because mina noMakhumalo sikhuluma more often.
Yeah. I was sustaining ukuthi I didn't want to worry anyone. But I'm changing something because I was like, Ebo, mangifana uyothi bendazi ukuthi angikho right. So I'm sending it something to Pelela and so after that thing I recover with emsebenzini ngiyogida ifocus yami ngingabenza yithi emsebenzini. So I've been traveling, I've been working, trying to keep myself busy. It's been like months, but it feels like in a way like I've been through so much, like in a very short space of time.
I think I didn't take it too well. I felt like the whole season was on my case. I went into depression. For over 2 weeks, I wasn't eating at all. I had chest pains. I was not okay. And at some point, I felt, I'm going to die. I was depressed. I was in a very dark place. I almost didn't make it.